ችግር የለውም።
The 500 Newton force is applied to the vertical pole. Here is a pole and 500 Newton forces applied on this pole. And this figure is shown here. The first equation is right. F in terms of the unit vector I and J. Here we have two axes in this figure. The first axis is x-axis, y-axis. Here, perpendicular and x-y axis, ij axis. And the second axis is x prime and y prime axis. Therefore, the first equation is write F in terms of unit vector I and J. That means in x and y axis. Then identify both its vector and scalar components of this force. And the second equation is determine only the scalar components of F along x prime and y prime axis. Only the scalar component. And the third equation is determine the scalar components of F along the x and y prime axis. So we have three equations. So we start from the first solution. Write F in terms of the unit vector. So we have F is 500 Newton. Therefore, x and y component. F is equals to the component x component and we have y component. So this F. X component F times cos or sine? Sine. F times sine 30 degree. And it's positive because the force is what? Right direction, therefore positive. F is 500 Newton times what? Sine 30 degree. Then Fy, F times cos 30 degree or sine 60 degree. You can't possible. 500 Newton times cos 30 degree. Then the scalar components, the scalar value is 250 Newton, and in the one minus, here is minus because Fy is in downward direction. Therefore minus 433.33. That's the question.